Is your Samsung Galaxy Watch getting too hot while charging? Don't worry. It's a common issue that's largely been addressed. We'll explain why it happens and, more importantly, how to fix it. The good news is, thanks to software updates and hardware refinements, overheating is now a rare occurrence. Let's dive in to how you can keep your watch cool. Overheating during charging is typically caused by a few factors. First, electrical resistance within the watch generates heat, especially during fast wireless charging. Second, the compact design of the watch limits cooling and heat dissipation. Finally, using the wrong charger or charging in direct sunlight can exacerbate the problem by raising the voltage and temperature. Samsung has rolled out crucial software updates, like One UI Watch 6.0 and later patches, that optimize power management and thermal controls. A key feature is the Smart Charge mode, which monitors the watch's temperature in real time. If it exceeds 45 degrees Celsius, 130 degrees Fahrenheit, Smart Charge will pause charging to prevent damage. Make sure your watch is updated through the Galaxy Wearable app. The first best practice for preventing overheating is to always use a Qi-certified charger, preferably the original one that came with your Samsung Galaxy Watch or an official Samsung charger. Avoid using non-Samsung chargers, as they may deliver too much power and cause the watch to overheat during charging. Keep your Galaxy Watch out of direct sunlight while charging to prevent overheating from external heat sources. Also, keep the watch away from other heat sources like heaters or hot surfaces while charging to maintain safe temperatures. If your Samsung Galaxy Watch overheats while charging, follow these troubleshooting steps to resolve the issue safely. First, immediately disconnect the watch from the charger to stop the heat buildup and prevent potential damage. Next, allow the watch to cool down completely in a cool, well-ventilated area before attempting to charge it again. Then, ensure you're using the correct Samsung charger and charging in a cool environment, away from direct sunlight or heat sources. If the overheating issue continues after following these steps, it may indicate a more serious hardware problem that requires professional repair or warranty service from Samsung. Samsung has enhanced battery health diagnostics in Galaxy Watches, allowing the devices to monitor their own battery performance and automatically self-report overheating events to Samsung servers for proactive fixes. To check your watch's battery health, navigate to the Settings menu in the Galaxy Wearable app or on the watch itself, where you'll find detailed battery information and diagnostic reports. Additionally, Samsung has extended warranties for affected Galaxy Watch devices until 2027, providing coverage for repairs or replacements if persistent overheating problems occur. If you're experiencing persistent overheating issues despite updates, contact Samsung support through the Galaxy Wearable app or their official website for personalized assistance with diagnostics and warranty claims. Looking ahead, Samsung Galaxy Watches will feature advanced AI-driven thermal management. Machine learning algorithms will analyze your usage patterns to predict and prevent overheating before it occurs. Newer charging technologies like gallium nitride or GaN will enable faster charging while keeping temperatures lower. This semiconductor material is more efficient than traditional silicon, reducing heat generation during power transfer. Future battery technology may incorporate graphene, a remarkable material known for its exceptional thermal conductivity. This will allow batteries to dissipate heat more effectively, preventing overheating even during intensive use or fast charging. Together, these technological advancements will make overheating a thing of the past, ensuring your Galaxy Watch remains cool and reliable for years to come. Experts agree that overheating is largely a solvable software problem. User reports show a significant decrease in overheating issues after software updates. Remember to keep your watch updated, use certified chargers, and charge in a cool environment. If you continue to experience problems, consider professional servicing, especially since the sealed design makes user repairs difficult. By following these tips, you can keep your Samsung Galaxy Watch cool and running smoothly.